Hey there everybody! Last week I put a unboxing video up on Google Classroom where I opened up my little Funko Pop Wampa figure that my family got me for my birthday. Well, today I thought I would do another one. But this one's not to do with Star Wars stuff, but rather one of my hobbies that I do outside of school, and that is woodworking. That's right, I build stuff out of wood. I've been doing it for about 2 years now. This right here is my favorite tool of all. It's my miter saw. I use it to chop wood in pieces and whatnot. And me and this baby here have gone through a lot, but I decided to upgrade to a better one. I'm going to miss this one, but it's time to move on to something bigger and a little bit better, and that's what I'm going to unbox for you today. Alright, well here it is. Here's my brand new DeWalt miter saw. This one's different because it's a sliding miter saw, which will allow me to make cuts on larger pieces of wood. Can't wait to get this bad boy going. Alright, so let's get rid of this unnecessary plastic. Plastic. Alright. Oh, box is taped up. Gotta slice off that tape too. Alright. Again. Oh, pop right open. Set that down. Ooh, look at all that styrofoam. Lovely. Oh, gotta slice this open. Mystery metal brackets. We'll see what these are for. I bet I know what they are. They go probably underneath the base of the miter saw. We'll set those aside for now. So I know what this is. This is called material support bracket. This will stick out the sides of the miter saw, and a piece of wood like a 2x4 can rest upon it. That's what that's for right there. This looks like a clamp that you can use to hold a workpiece down so it doesn't flop over. Yep, my old saw has something like this, but this one looks a little bit more advanced. Just want to see if I'm got the camera pointed pretty well. Looks like it does. That's why my shoulder's in the camera right now. Alright, cool. I'm new at making these videos, so I'm sure you'll forgive me. Oh, these are some wing nuts and little washers or gaskets. We'll need those for something, I'm sure. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, this looks like an owner's manual, which I'll definitely be reading. You should always read the owner's manuals for everything you own, especially a car. Ah, I know what this is. This is the dust collection bag, which will attach to the back of their miter saw and collect some, but not all, of the sawdust that comes flying out. Yep, probably in the first few pages, this manual will tell me how to adjust the angle of the blade, make sure it's exactly 90 degrees every which way. Oh, and here in the bottom of the bag, we have the all-important adjustment tool. It's like an Allen wrench and a star wrench all in one. Must keep, must have that. And this looks like a support bracket, material support bracket for the other side. Let's open this one up too. Now we have this enormous piece of styrofoam. See if it slides out rather nice. I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid, if we had a piece of styrofoam, me and my brother would take turns holding the piece of styrofoam, and then we would karate chop it in half because it was easy to break. Alright, there it is. This is a thing of beauty, let me tell you. I believe this is a handle whereby I can lift it up. Oh. Boy, heavy. Alright. Let me get this plastic out of my cover. I don't know if I trust this hand. Nope. Handle's good. We'll lift. I'm gonna set it down, and you know what I'll do? I'm gonna turn the box upside down so I can put the saw on it, and you can continue to see what I'm doing. Hoo-yah! Huh. The box supports it pretty well. How's the angle? Oh, good. It's on camera. I'm getting good at this video stuff, maybe. Alright, so here's the plugger inner, aka the power cord, and some extra styrofoam, which I'm just going to pull off. Yep. These styrofoam pieces were keeping the sliding thingies in place. Alright, now this probably is locked down somehow. How do I unlock it? Somewhere there's a way to make this whole blade thing come up. I might have to look in the owner's manual. Can you imagine that? But I'd rather try to figure it out first. Carefully, of course. Don't want to break anything. Where are you? Little connector, holder, downer, latchy thing. This is for the fins. Must be up here somewhere. This is where. I bet you this is it. I bet you it's not. Look at that blade, that's beautiful. Alright, let's go to the owner's manual. It must tell us in here somewhere how to familiarization, transported saw, assembly and adjustments. Mounting holes. Good stuff. Open the box and lift the saw up by the convenient lift and handle. Alright, nothing here about miter lock handle. Maybe that's it. Number 5. Where's part? No, that's not it. Bevel lock knob, lockdown pin. I bet you that's it. Number 17. Lock to lock the blade down, because that's where it currently is. And the dent. Ooh, it's over on the other side here. Think about it. Bet you it's one of these guys. Is this it right here? Nope. Mr. Moffat, you're terrible at this. I know. Well, it's because it's new. And it's a little trickier than I expected. Let me tell you, there's more to this bad boy than the other one. Lockdown. That's the lock. No, that looks like it needs to be adjusted with a wrench. That can't be what I'm looking for right now. Cannot be it. Let's look for transporting the saw. Right here, lift the handle. On the top of the saw and hand indentations in the base. There you go. Lower the arm of the saw and press in the lockdown pin to secure the arm. And that is part 17. Part 17 is, right, maybe it's under here. Maybe I need to get this this styrofoam stuff out first. Goodness gracious. Wait, is that it? That doesn't seem to want to move at all. Lordy, lordy. I might edit part of this out, because this is no fun. Lower the edge to secure the arm. Hand indentations, that's not helping. I think this is it. There it is. Oh, geez, that was all it took. A little press down. Let it lift itself up. What a thing of beauty this is. Thank you, Manuel, for helping. Because on my current saw, it's in a very different place. Alright, let's raise this up a little so you guys can see this thing in all its glory. It is glorious. Alright, let's see. Aha, press the button. We'll get this back to the 0. Which somehow doesn't look like a 0 to me. Oh, I know, the little scale thing. There it is. Okay, so this is unusual and different. Little indicator for the angles way over here on the side. I don't know how well you guys can see that. So up to one side of this big long thing, whereas on my old saw, it was right in the center. See, here's on my old saw, little angle indicator is right there, dead center. But on this new beast, the little angle doohickeys over there on the side. I'm going to have to get used to that. But I probably will, because that's how I roll. I get used to stuff. And you should too. You just got to be patient with yourself. And everything new and unusual will one day become not new and usual. So there's that. Okay. Alright. Well, there it is. Let's, I don't know. Maybe I'll plug it in and fire it up. There's probably some adjustments to be made on this thing for now. Okay. Before I can use it, like make sure all the angles are good to go. So I'm going to probably do that and maybe add it to this video later. Or maybe this is the end right now. I think for now, though, I'm going to stop the camera and say hand, which means have a nice day.